What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing y'all how I made these freestyle, colorful French tip press-on nails. Alright, starting off, y'all know the usual. I'm showing you the nails. These are XL stiletto nails, and right now I'm just going to paint them with this nude Dipped in Pretty and Killing Me Softly. Alright, you know the drill. We're going to do a second coat, pop them back in the dryer, then we're going to be on to designing. Alright, now I'm just showing y'all how they looked fresh out the dryer. I went ahead off camera, buffed them, and I put on the French tip stencils, and now I'm going to paint. Today we're using a nice green color. This is also from Dipped in Pretty, and the name of this color is Chloe with a C. Alright, next we're going in with one of my favorite Barbie pinks. This is a Beatles color. I will list the color in the description box because I don't remember off the top of my head. Alright, the next color right here is from Dipped in Pretty, and it is called Hello Sunshine. I like this bright yellow. I don't get to use it much because I got it when it was like off season. Alright, next we're going in with this orange. It's kind of like a neon orange on camera, but like in person it's a softer orange. And lastly we're going in with this baby blue color. I really love this color. Alright, and we're just going to do a second coat of these and then pop them back in the dryer, and then we're going to get to putting on the designs. This is what they look like off camera. I went and buffed and I took off the stencils, and now I'm just showing you the supplies that I'm using. I didn't end up using everything, but these are the things I thought I was going to use. Starting off with these water slide decals from katoribeautycontact. These are the butterflies. For this green finger, I'm just going to use those pearls and those other like little nail pieces. I don't know what they're called. And I'm just going to make a flower on this nail. For this orange nail, I'm just using the Couture Beauty Butterfly Water Slide decals, and I'm just going to put those on like I did the pink nail. And you see I switched them around because I didn't want two butterflies next to each other. And this yellow nail, I'm going to be putting on another flower, just like the green nail. Okay, now this blue nail is funny because my original idea, I wanted to make clouds out of the pearls, but it didn't turn out that way, but I still like the way that it turned out. Now I'm just showing you how they look, and I'm going to do the other hand, and this is going to be sped up pretty fast. I'm just showing you what I did. The other hand is like the same design concept, just the colors are in a different order. Alright, now this is the final set. I was unsure as I was doing them, but now that I see them, I really like them. I enjoyed making this, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye-bye.